Making counting and spelling super fun with Isabella, Jane and
Rosie. It's good to have you back.
it really is, guys. Thank you for joining us.
This is scary. Maths and grammar.
Maths and grammar isn't scary.
Well, maths is.
Well, what's scary about maths?
The times tables.
Well, they can be a little bit hectic. I remember in school, I always found the 9 times table really scary.
Why?
It's just a big number. You know, at the 10 times table becomes a little bit easier, but the 9 times table is like quite daunting.
Well, we have the trick for the 9 times table.
Yeah, we do. So we've actually got quite a cool trick for the 9 times table. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is
18, 27, 36, 35,
54, 63,
72,
81,
90.
So it's pretty easy when you just memorize it. But if you're suddenly given it 9 times 6,
54.
how do you work it out? Well, guys, we have got a really cool chart here. You can have a look. So we start basically going from 0 to 9. And then we go from 9
to 0.
and that kind of gives you your answers. So with your 9 times 1, your first top is your 0, and then you basically start with then
The other way around.
yes, and you have a 9, so it becomes 1 times 9 is
9.
and then 2 times 9 we look okay 0 1, so it's 1 and then 9 8.
So it's 18.
9 times 3 0 1 2, so it's 2 9 8.
7, 27.
There you go, and you could even go the other way around. So 9 times 10, so we start with the 9, and then we start with the 0.
So 90.
Yeah, 9 times 9, 9, 8,
8,
and then 0, 1,
1.
81.
Oh, that's a very clever trick, Bella.
It is. I mean, if you have it all written out, it's a little bit easier. But if you just visualize that whole process.
There you go. 9 times table. Solved.
There you go.
And Bella, what's our grammar for today?
Well, I thought that we would bust a rule.
Dust a rule?
Yeah,
Which rule?
I before E except after C.
Well, that's a good rule.
But I found some little holes in the rule, Rosie, which I thought we could address in this Math and Grammar 101 hack.
Okay, so what is wrong with I before E except after C? Because when you spell the leave, it's IE. And when you spell receive, it's EI.
Yeah, but what about when you spell weird? Exactly, that's EI. So it's not I before E except after C.
Okay,
Or wait.
that's different.
No, not the W-A-I-T. It's the wait. The W-E-I-G-H-T.
Oh, no.
Mm-hmm. I before E except after C and
W.
there you go. We've just adjusted the rule. And another thing, yeah. I before E except after C and W, but what about neighbor?
Oh, that's EI too, hey.
And that's not a C or a W.
Well, then how do we sort that one out?
I before E except after C or W, or when it has the sound A.
Ada. That's clever. So when it sounds like an A.
There we go. Or, I mean, you can look at the weird and kind of adjust that rule. And it's when it's a long E-ing sound, like C's, weird, it's EI.
Oh, that's quite clever. So it is I before E except after C and W, and if it has an E sound or an A sound.
There you go, guys. There's your I before E, sure, except after C.
Rule
Busted. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Maths and Grammar 101. Making
making counting and spelling super fun with Isabella Jane and